invoices are going out much quicker.
Brilliant.
Our customers are getting their reports much quicker, which they are loving. Best thing I think Redbox has ever done.
Since '87 we formed as a fire extinguisher company, and that has always been the bread and butter work. We also do fire signage because that goes hand in hand. We also do fire risk assessments, and we also do fire training, staff fire training, whether that's just classroom format or practical. We're based in Oxfordshire.
Where would you say the biggest challenges or inefficiencies were using your previous system before you came on board with Uptick?
Crikey. Everything was just old-fashioned.
Yeah.
And just, you know, we were struggling really and almost drowning in paperwork. I think you probably just hear me saying paperwork all the time because I hated it, and I think we all did, and we just wanted to get ourselves a bit more in the 21st century and move forward.
We deal with some very high-end blue chip clients, and we punch well above our weight, but one thing that I felt we were lacking was the paperwork. So previously, invoices used to get delayed, payment used to be delayed because we're waiting for the technician to bring the paperwork back. And some technicians lived 45, 50 minutes away. And sometimes they only came to the office once or twice a week. But if they've done 30, 40 jobs that week, that's 30, 40 invoices that we were waiting to invoice the following week. We're now invoicing within the same day, within the next day, 2 days. We're actually getting paid quicker as a result of going on to Uptick. We're not asking people to pay us quicker, we're getting paid quicker.
You feel like the service to your clients has improved since coming on board with Uptick?
Massively. Yeah. I think the guys are a lot more, what's the word, forearmed. They've got all the information on their screen and they can look at it whenever they want. And the client information is readily available. They can find the documents. It does make everything more beneficial, and they're speeding up. They're probably gaining 2 hours a day. Because I can show you the old system and how much paperwork they used to do, and then now it's, well, you know what the app's like. Click, tick, boom, it's done.
When that onboarding, your team always gave us confidence. And what I like about Uptick is that we've got to learn it very quickly. And the transition, I think, has been far smoother than I anticipated. And that's been really good to see.
I mean, for me, obviously bringing the idea into the company to go for Uptick, which made me quite proud, to be perfectly honest, and relieved that it's worked. I'm just over the moon really, because it has been so successful, and to hear everybody saying, oh, this is so good. And also when a customer rings us and tells us as well, makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it?
It does. It makes me proud as well, just so you know, because I was able to come here, have a look at what you were doing, give my advice with this amazing product that sells itself. And that's really beautiful for me to come and see a company that's built a relationship with my wider staff members.
Yeah.
Your business is running even better than it was before. I'm just really glad that it's all worked out for you. We all are, and we're going to continue watching your growth and progression on the system and just as a business in general.
Good, thank you.
Yeah, and we appreciate you.
Thanks,
you, Sarah.
Billy.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.